Hi everyone, this is Keela Bash. There's a saying, for every 1,000 Minecraft mods, there are 1,000 different UI libraries. So the question is there a UI library that provides a modern UI engine with modern layout systems, event systems, and style sheets that supports client-server communication and data binding? That comes with a large set of plug-and-play components. That supports UI design by XML, a visual editor. That supports Cube.js, JEI, EMREI, can extend any Minecraft UI, and still provides a complete wiki with real examples? It sounds crazy, but today we're introducing the answer. LDLib, version 2.
If I could write you a song and make you fall in love, I will already have you up under my arm. I used to follow my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cooler than me. And you never say hey or remember my name, and it's probably cause you think you're cooler than me, cooler than me.
Unlike the original LDLib, LDLib 2 introduces a fully modern UI engine design and completely restructures, or rather, rewrites the UI framework from the ground up. The result is a UI library that is more flexible, more extensible, and far more powerful than before. Modern UI engine is nothing without a powerful layout system. LDLib 2 integrates Yoga, a layout engine developed and maintained by Meta. Yoga is an embeddable Flexbox-based layout system used in popular UI frameworks such as React Native and Unity UI Toolkit. It supports a familiar subset of CSS, focusing primarily on Flexbox. If you have experience with web development or mobile UI frameworks, LDLib 2's Yoga-based layout system will feel immediately familiar. Instead of positioning UI elements using absolute coordinates and hard-coded sizes, as in traditional Minecraft UI frameworks, you can now delegate all layout calculations to LDLib 2. No more magic numbers, no more manual size and position calculations. Let the layout engine do the work and enjoy the flexibility and power of Flexbox, especially when building dynamic UIs with adaptive sizes and responsive layouts. LDLib 2 implements an event system similar to HTML5 and Unity UI Toolkit. The system listens for events originating from Minecraft or triggered manually and dispatches them to UI elements through an event propagation process that includes both capture and bubble phases. On top of that, LDLib 2 provides a comprehensive set of UI events, closely aligned with modern web development standards. It supports events for mouse input, drag and drop, focus handling, keyboard input, text input, commands, layout updates, lifecycle events, and more. With this event system, implementing custom UI components becomes straightforward and intuitive. LDLib 2 introduces a style sheet system called LSS. You can not only set the style using code, but also through text. LSS are style sheets inspired by CSS. Their syntax closely follows standard CSS, with extensions and customizations designed specifically for LDLib 2 UI. LSS allows you to separate presentation from logic, making UI code cleaner, more maintainable, and easier to iterate on. As a subset of CSS, LSS inherits most of its familiar syntax, while embracing modern styling concepts. Thanks to this design, LDLib 2 supports a wide range of advanced visual features, including rounded rectangles, custom shaders, style transitions, overflow handling, and mask clipping. Styles can be applied either through code or external style sheet files, allowing developers or even users to easily customize and switch UI themes. You can also control the opacity of individual UI element layers, apply transforms such as translate, rotation, and scaling. With style sheets, you gain a much more flexible way to customize your UI. LDLib 2 also ships with 3 official built-in themes: GDP, MC, and Modern, ready to use out of the box. Many UI frameworks only provide components for client-side screens. For purely client-side use cases, that works fine. But when developing container UIs that require client-server communication, developers are usually forced to implement menus manually, handle synchronization logic, and manage event dispatching themselves. LDLib 2 solves this problem by introducing data bindings and RPC events. With LDLib 2, you can focus entirely on UI design without writing a single line of synchronization code. All synchronization logic can be achieved by just one line code or an annotation. In fact, the same UI code can be shared between the client and the server. You can bind server-side and client-side data and define your own synchronization strategies. You can listen to UI events on the server, send custom events, and react to user interactions in real time on the server side. Using basic elements combined with the UI event system, you can already build a wide variety of custom components. But LDLib 2 goes even further. It ships with dozens of built-in components, covering everything from basic value components to layout and container-related elements. These components are designed to handle the majority of UI development needs out of the box. All value components, such as slots, text fields, toggles, selectors, and more, support data binding by default, so you never have to worry about data synchronization. In addition, LDLib 2 provides a rich set of configurators UI for data configuration. You don't need to write a single line of code. Simply annotate your data field and edit it visually through the editor. Pretty cool. Compared to other UI libraries, LDLib 2 offers multiple ways to create UI, 4 in total. In addition to writing UIs in Java, LDLib 2 also supports Cube.js, XML, and a visual UI editor. Both Java and Cube.js provide maximum flexibility when defining UI structures, binding data, and implementing logic. LDLib 2 offers first-class support for Cube.js, with no need for manual class loading or boilerplate setup. LDLib 2 also allows you to create UIs by loading XML files. After the UI is created, data binding and logic can be implemented through code. To support this workflow, LDLib 2 includes an in-game XML editor, allowing you to edit and preview UIs in real time. In addition, LDLib 2 provides XSD support for XML. This means that when editing XML in IDEs such as IntelliJ IDEA or Visual Studio Code, you can benefit from syntax highlighting, validation, error checking, and auto-completion, greatly improving development efficiency. Even when editing XML in an external text editor, LDLib 2 still supports real-time UI preview inside the game. But LDLib 2 doesn't stop there. Both code-based and XML-based approaches come with a certain learning curve. To lower the barrier even further, LDLib 2 provides a fully visual UI editor inspired by Unity's UI toolkit. With the visual editor, you don't need to learn any syntax or write any code to start creating UIs. You can preview changes in real time, configure UI behavior and styles, debug layouts during development, and author style sheets directly within the editor. Without writing a single line of code, you can build polished, high-quality UIs and even save them as reusable templates. For large-scale UI projects, combining XML with the visual UI editor enables a highly efficient workflow. It not only significantly improves development productivity, but also provides a scalable solution for data-driven UI customization, data-pack-defined UIs, and extensible UI systems. LDLib 2 doesn't just support Cube.js, it also provides built-in support for major recipe viewers, including JEI, EMI, and REI. LDLib 2 ensures interaction-level compatibility with these viewers, such as size detection, ingredient lookup, and ingredient drag and drop. More importantly, LDLib 2 allows you to render full LDLib 2-based UIs directly inside recipe viewers, with interaction and ingredient lookup fully supported. This level of flexibility means you no longer need to develop separate integrations for each recipe viewer. Instead, you can design a single UI template and reuse it seamlessly across JEI, EMI, and REI. With LDLib 2's rich component system, you also gain far greater freedom and variety when designing recipe UIs. In addition, LDLib 2 does not force you to use dedicated screens or container menus. LDLib 2 UI elements can be converted into vanilla-compatible widgets and embedded into existing screens. This means you can use LDLib 2 to modify or extend virtually any GUI without any mix-ins or hacking code. For example, you can add a time indicator to the vanilla Furnace UI, or inject additional UI elements into blocks from other mods. All of this can be done not only in Java, but also through Cube.js, giving modpack creators significantly more control and flexibility. LDLib 2 comes with a comprehensive and well-documented wiki, covering its core concepts, systems, and features, and it is actively maintained and continuously updated. The codebase also includes a large number of usage examples and test implementations that you can reference directly. Learning the LDLib 2 UI framework is straightforward, whether or not you have prior UI development experience. Just follow the wiki and get started. And start building your UI with LDLib 2. LDLib 2 provides a universal UI solution for version 1.21 and plans to be ported to a higher version. Thank you for watching.
You got your